Many people are sure that making big money on binary options is very simple, but nevertheless, many people continue to get losses from trades. In this video, I will show you the simplest strategy. If you master it, you will definitely achieve success in all your trades. I will explain in simple terms how this strategy works, how to set up indicators, analyze a chart, and how to carry out the trading process by itself. Watch this video to the end, as there will be a lot of useful information. For more information about the strategies and indicators, join my trading community in Telegram channel. The link is in description. So let's get started! Okay, I quickly switched to Pocket Option trading platform. Here it is. You can see a line chart. Well, we won't use it because it's not convenient. So let's come here, chart type, and choose candles. So this is another type of chart. A currency pair chart. It's called Japanese candlestick, and it's just the most convenient chart that I always tell you to use in trading. Why? Well, because it shows you like more obvious direction of growth of currency pairs and a decrease of a price of a currency pair. So like this chart, the candlestick chart, consists of course, candlesticks. So the green one, which represent the growth of a price of a currency pair, or in other words, they are called bullish. And the red candlesticks, which represent a decrease in price of a currency pair, and they are called bearish. Okay, so this is about like the chart which we use. So I like trading with euro, US dollar currency. So here we can pick up currency at the top left corner. So this currency has the profitability of 92%. Next, I switch to expiration time. Here it is, you can set it at top right corner. So I advise you to choose 1 minute. Why? Again, and what is expiration time? So it is the time actually by the end of which you predict that the price of a currency pair will grow or will decrease. So for example, you open up your trade here, like at this moment, the price of your currency pair is at this level. Here's like the price of your currency pair, different price. So you open up your trade at this level and you put a buy position. That means, so by the end of 1 minute, you're predicting that the price will be higher than this level or lower if you open a sell position. Okay, so I set expiration time 1 minute. About the amount of money we should put in our trade. So I always say and advise you to put in your trade 5 to 10% of your balance. Don't risk more. So like on my balance, I have $10,000 approximately. So I put in my trade $1,000, 10% of my balance. Okay, and well, that's it. Here are buttons, higher or lower, which is to buy an asset, so predicting an upward trend, or sell an asset, predicting a downward trend. So here we are. This is Pocket Option and how we are going to use it. Okay, now today I'm going to use moving average indicator, or the best strategy. So I find it here. Go, indicators, button indicators, and moving average. Here it is. So we press it, but we need to press twice. So we apply to our chart two moving indicators, moving average indicators. So what you need to do is to edit them. So you go to your first moving average indicator, press the button pencil, and set its period up to 9. Here it is, save. That will be your short-term moving average. Now you need to edit the second moving average indicator. So you go here, press the button pencil, edit, and set its period up to 21. For us to be more convenient to use it, change its color. Well, I change it to pink. So press the button save, and this will be the long-term moving average with a period of 21. So again, repeating, now I just applied two moving averages to my chart, a short-term moving average, a green line represents it, and a long-term moving average, the pink line represents it. This is like how we apply indicator. Now, what it shows us and how it helps us. Well, first of all, it shows us the right entry and exit points for our trades. And it shows, of course, a potential direction of price growth or decrease. So how do we read it? How do we read these indicators? So The important thing we need to notice is crossovers. Here we are, crossover 1, crossover 2, crossover 3. So we need to look at the green line. That's the main aspect. So we need to see if our short-term moving average crosses below or above the long-term moving average. So for example, like in this situation, my green line, so which is the short-term moving average, crosses above the long-term moving average, which means we should open a sell position, anticipating an upward trend. Here it is. And if our short-term moving average crosses below the long-term moving average, here it is, that means here it is, we should open a sell position anticipating a downward trend. Of course, here it is, a downward trend. So that's just how moving average indicator works. Okay, now I've shown you how to set up our moving average indicator. And next step, what I will do is to show you what is the right moment to enter your trades and how to enter them, a buy or a sell position. Looking at the previous development of Euro and US dollar currency pair chart, we can notice that there were quite a number of moments which were good to enter or to open our trades. So let me enlarge the chart and show you them. For example, here my short-term moving average crossed below the long-term moving average, here it is, and it meant a downward trend, here it is, it meant a drop in the price of a currency pair, and it meant that we should open a sell position. Okay, let me show another example. Here we are, a short-term moving average crossed above the long-term moving average, which meant an upward trend, of course, here we are, which meant an obvious growth of a price of currency pair, and which meant we should open a buy position. So after we see a crossover, if the short term crossed the long term below or above, we quickly open trades. Now let's get to trading. Okay, so now we are getting near to the situation, the crossover situation. We can see an obvious downward trend. So the short-term moving average is about to cross below the long-term moving average, which would mean we should open a sell position anticipating a downward trend. Of course, here we are, an obvious downward trend, and anticipating a drop in the price of a currency pair. And of course, it is already dropping, but we need to wait for a crossover. Okay, so here we are, short-term moving average just crossed the long-term moving average below, so that means we should open a sell position, open it, and that's it. Now we are just waiting for our trade to succeed. Okay, you can already see that the crossover is more obvious now. So again, the short-term moving average with the period of 9 crosses below the long-term moving average with the period of 21, and it means a decrease in price of a currency pair, and downward trend, and succeedable trades. Okay, just brilliant. I got a profit of $920 using the moving average indicator strategy. Already succeeded, opened a sell position, so well done. Let's continue trading. Okay, so now we are getting near to the crossover situation. We can see that the short-term moving average is about to cross, above the long-term moving average, pink line. And this would mean a growth of price of a currency pair and an upward trend. And that would mean that we should open a buy position. But of course, we wait. We wait for the crossover and quickly open trade. Okay, so we are getting near to crossover. The green line, the short-term moving average is about to cross the long-term moving average, cross above. Already great growth of a price of a currency pair, so that's nice. Again, I'm going to set expiration time 1 minute, put in $1,000. Okay, so I'm gonna open my second trade, open the buy position. Again, my first trade succeeded, and now I opened my second trade for a buy position because my short-term moving average crossed above the long-term moving average, which means a growth in a price of currency pair, an upward trend, here it is, and also of course means we should open buy position. And yes, now we are waiting for this trade to succeed greatly. Okay, so my second trade succeeded using the moving average indicator strategy, and I got a profit of $920. Great! So now let's switch to summarizing. So friends, with the help of this strategy, today I've earned $1,840. As you can see, the strategy works great and brings huge profits. And if you want to learn more about profitable strategies, write me in DM in Telegram. And join my Telegram channel. There you can find the latest up-to-date information from the world of trading and also learn in process how to trade with me. I really hope that you liked my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, put your likes, and hit the bell so that you don't miss my next super educative videos. Thank you, bye-bye, with love, your Jessica.